So, hello guys, this is the screen recording, and today I will be showing you guys the rare pack opening. Um, let's see what we get today. I've got a lot of coins, as you can see here. It's my squad. On the left of the screen is my squad, and this is the mobile app. I might remind you guys. So let's go to the store, buy some premium gold packs, and let's get lucky. Okay, first one. Excellent. Just need a player like this. 2 plus 3. 3 rare players. Nice. Actually feeling lucky. How about this guy? Okay. Fontas. I need to sell that guy because I already had him, right? The last one. Oh god, I have this guy. Come on. The first pack was the best pack. Can't disagree about that. Now let's open a gold pack. Finish all the coins we have. Okay. Not that bad. So this was it, the video. Thank you everyone. Thank you.